Most people go to the gym, lift weights for years, and barely look any different. They follow the standard advice, grind through the workouts, and see marginal gains at best. But if you look at elite athletes and top-tier biohackers, they aren't just working harder than you, they're working smarter. They rely on 5 specific physiological tricks that accelerate muscle growth up to 4 times faster than the average lifter. We are talking about significantly faster recovery, naturally optimized testosterone levels, deeper anabolic sleep, and superhuman pumps that stretch the fascia for maximum size. You might think you have heard it all, but biohack number 4 is so effective that NASA used a variation of it to prevent muscle atrophy in astronauts in zero gravity. This isn't about steroids or dangerous supplements. Everything we are going to cover is research-backed, field-tested by high-level athletes, and completely grounded in human physiology. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to recover faster, how to manipulate your anabolic hormones naturally, and how to build muscle fast, even if you have hit a plateau or are just starting out. Quick note before we go deeper. If you want a structured way to apply these muscle-building principles without guessing your training or nutrition, I've linked the exact program I recommend in the description. It's built around recovery, protein timing, and progressive overload, the same foundations we're about to cover. You don't need it for this video, but it makes execution much easier. First, we have to address the elephant in the room. We need to understand why most people fail to grow and why you might be stuck in the same place you were 6 months ago. The reality is painful, but necessary to accept. You are likely training hard, but your internal system is fighting against you. You might be breaking down muscle tissue in the gym, but your recovery cycles are poor. You likely aren't eating enough protein at the specific times your body needs it to trigger synthesis. Your sleep quality might be killing your gains before they even start, and your hormonal environment is likely not optimized for hypertrophy. Stop blaming your genetics. It is not your genetics, it is your system. If the system is broken, the output will always be low. However, once you fix the inputs, the output, which is muscle mass, takes care of itself. Here are the 5 biohacks that compound together to explode natural muscle growth. Biohack number 1 is sleep engineering. I am putting this first because it has the highest return on investment of anything on this list. You cannot train your way out of poor sleep. When you sleep, specifically during deep, slow wave sleep, your pituitary gland releases the vast majority of your daily growth hormone. This is when the actual muscle building happens. If you cut your sleep short or have fragmented sleep, you are essentially deleting the work you did in the gym. To engineer perfect sleep, you need to manage your circadian rhythm. This starts in the morning. You need to view natural sunlight within 30 minutes of waking up. This signals your brain to start a timer that will release melatonin, the sleep hormone, roughly 14 to 16 hours later. If you miss the morning light, your sleep cycle is already compromised. Next, you need to lower your core body temperature and sedate your nervous system. A supplement stack of magnesium glycinate and zinc before bed is incredible for this. Magnesium glycinate specifically helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that eats muscle and prepares the body for deep REM cycles. Finally, you must cut screens 90 minutes before bed. Blue light mimics the sun, suppressing melatonin and killing your growth hormone potential. Fix your sleep and everything else we talk about multiplies in effectiveness. Now that you are recovering, let's look at fueling. Biohack number 2 is protein timing and the leucine trigger. Most people chronically undereat protein, or they spread it out in ways that don't actually signal the body to build tissue. There is a biological switch in your body called mTOR. Think of mTOR as the master switch for muscle growth. To flip that switch, you need a specific amino acid called leucine. Research suggests there is a leucine threshold. If you eat a meal with only 10 or 15 grams of protein, you likely won't hit this threshold, meaning you are getting calories. But you aren't turning on the muscle building machinery. You need a minimum of 30 grams of high quality protein per meal to get enough leucine to trigger mTOR. This means your breakfast of just oatmeal or a piece of fruit is a wasted opportunity. You need eggs, whey protein, Greek yogurt, or lean meat. Aim for roughly 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight and make sure every meal hits that 30-gram minimum. This keeps muscle protein synthesis elevated all day, shifting your body from a storage state to a building state. Stay tuned because this ties directly into biohack number 5. which is controversial but insanely effective for utilizing this protein. Biohack number 3 is progressive overload with micro-loading. This unsexy truth is the most reliable way to build muscle fast. Your muscles won't grow unless they're forced to adapt to new stress. If you lift the same weight for the same reps as last month, you will look the same next month. Most people increase weight too fast, fail, and get discouraged. The hack is micro-loading. Buy micro plates, tiny half-pound or 1-pound weights. Adding just 2.5 pounds a week feels small, but over a year it adds more than 100 pounds to your lifts. A linear strength increase forces a linear size increase. Track your lifts. If you aren't beating last week in weight or reps, you aren't stimulating growth. Biohack 4 is blood flow restriction training, BFR. NASA employed BFR cuffs to keep blood from leaving muscles in zero gravity, where astronauts can't lift heavy. This allowed them to retain and develop muscle with light resistance. How it works for you: tighten a strap or BFR cuff around your arm or leg to 7 out of 10. You're basically blocking venous flow while letting arterial blood in. These cuffs prevent lactate and metabolic waste from escaping, so training at 30% of your limit builds it quickly. This intense metabolic stress mimics heavy lifting, causing your brain to recruit powerful type 2 muscle fibers normally reserved for enormous loads. This causes an amazing pump and a massive growth factor release, enabling you to develop volume and muscle without hurting your joints. Cut sets and rest times, lower the tempo, and enjoy the burn. It's worth it. Before we get to the final biohack, here's the reality. Muscle growth isn't about one trick, it's about running the right system consistently. That's why I linked the program I personally recommend below. It organizes training, nutrition, and recovery into a single framework so these biohacks actually work together instead of in isolation. If you're tired of plateauing despite training hard, check it out after the video. Finally, cold exposure and hot sauna contrast boosts healing and hormones in Biohack 5. A 20-minute sauna session generates heat shock proteins that heal cells and prevent muscle breakdown. Cold lowers systemic inflammation. Icing after a workout can decrease hypertrophy, but doing it hours later or on rest days promotes recovery. Switching between hot and cold is contrast therapy's magic. It rapidly dilates and constricts blood vessels, pumping lymphatic system, flushing waste, and delivering nutrient-rich blood to tissues. Sauna use also temporarily boosts growth hormone. At home, use hot and cold showers, or at the gym, use a sauna and cold plunge. Recovery days become growing days. Now we must stack biohacks. The 4X formula. None are as effective alone. BFR stimulation without leucine trigger prevents growth. You won't produce hormones to use food if you eat well but sleep poorly. This lifestyle stack includes optimizing sleep tonight, hitting protein minimums tomorrow, micro plates, BFR on arm or leg days, and contrast therapy to keep fresh. Once habitual, it requires little willpower. Tricks exist even with these hacks. The biggest error is overtraining. You grow by resting, not training. You dig a recovery hole by working out 7 days a week at high intensity. Reduce your volume by half every 6 to 8 weeks to mend your joints and nervous system. Another big problem is program hopping. Don't change workouts every 2 weeks for a video. Keep a plan for 12 weeks to let progressive overload work. And finally, under-eating. No house can be built without bricks. You won't build muscle if you're afraid of fat accumulation. These biohacks work best with a little calorie surplus. These 5 tactics turn exercise into biohacking your physiology for optimal efficiency, like great athletes. If you found value in this deep dive and want a structured biohacked weekly program, hit the like button so I know to make that video, and make sure you're subscribed because more science-based body and mind optimization is coming. Don't leave your gains to chance. Engineer them. See you in the next one.